Assalamualaikum pre-nursery student. How are you doing? I hope you all are fine. It's your English lecture. Be ready, sit properly, okay, and start with me. ENGLISH English. Okay, it's your reading time. READING reading. Which letter is this? Capital Q, small q. Kram, okay? Capital Q, small q, kram. Okay, now look at TOPRC topic A to F. Again you will write, okay? Now see how you will write. Put pencil on dot. Draw curve. Okay. Now put pencil again on dot. Draw a standing line with small curve. Makes small a. Small a. Small b. After which letter will be small b. Small a. What the phonics of a? Next b. Put pencil on dot, draw a standing line and put pencil on second line. Draw a curve, makes B, small b, small a, small b, b phonic b. Okay, now look here. Put pencil on dot, draw a curve, makes C, small c, small a, small b, small c. After C, small d. Draw standing line with small curve. Now put pencil on second line. Draw a curve. Next D. Next E. Small e. Put pencil on dot. Draw a curve. Now again put pencil on dot. Draw a small curve inside. Makes E. Small e. After small f. Put pencil on dots. Draw a small curve with standing line. And now another side curve makes f. Here will be small slipping line. Makes f. Small f. Okay. Now we will draw here vocabulary. Apple. Apple. Look here. Very good. Very nice. Apple. Yes, sir. Butterfly. Ball. Okay. Book also. Ball. Ball. It's good now. Okay. Cat. Very good. Duck. Duck says quack quack. Look here. Duck. Duck. Egg. Okay, flower. Now see, on drawing page, you will color the third. COLOUR, color, ITE, color it, carrot. CARROT, carrot. Okay, it's recognition time. R